Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Priyanka Saukanole. I am owner of World Class Dental Clinic which is located in Pune on FC Road. So today I am making this video related to Miracle Mix. So we have already covered all type of filling material. Now one more filling material is there which is known as Miracle Mix. Miracle Mix is also known as silver alloy admix. Basically it is the combination of two filling material, amalgam, that is silver filling material, and another that is white color filling material which chemically bonds to tooth surface. So when the both of them are combined together, silver amalgam as well as GIC, the combined properties become much better, since amalgam doesn't have it doesn't bond to the tooth surface chemically. Since we are mixing with GIC and amalgam together, this material has some unique properties. First one, it bonds with the tooth surface chemically. Second thing, since GIC has lots of fluoride, so it has anti-karyogenic effect, which again the Miracle Mix also get that anti-karyogenic effect, because when we do the filling with the Miracle Mix, for long term it releases that fluoride and protects the tooth from further decay. So that is one more advantage. Third, this is the radio opaque material since silver is used. Okay, so radio opacity is there. So what are the clear cut indication where we are supposed to use Miracle Mix? Miracle Mix is mostly used for cavity fillings, that is on the posterior teeth. Second thing, it is also used for the core buildups. Core buildups, as I've already told you, once the RCT is done, most of the time we do post, and around that post we need to do the core buildup. For that also it is used. Third thing, when patient is undergoing braces treatment, sometimes we are supposed to provide occlusal stops to prevent heavy biting forces on the front teeth. That time also Miracle Mix is used. So these are certain indication where Miracle Mix should be used. Where it should not be used, since the Miracle Mix has a dark color, it does not matches with the tooth color. It can't be used in the anterior teeth because aesthetically it is not good. Second thing, most of the patient nowadays, they directly go for the composite filling material. So overall use of Miracle Mix has reduced. Mostly it is used for the occlusal stops and core buildups only. So these are the contraindication, I'll say, ki where we should not use it. Obviously in the anterior teeth, but kids posterior teeth, where we need good amount of compressive strength, since the silver is mixed with the GIC, the compressive strength of the Miracle Mix is better than GIC filling. So in kids where the posterior filling has to be done, that time mostly Miracle Mix is used. So these are clear cut advantages of Miracle Mix. As I told you, chemically bonds with the tooth surface, anti-karyogenic property, high amount of compressive strength. Comparatively it is cheaper, since the composite is slightly on the costlier side, this is comparatively cheaper. So these are clear cut advantages of the Miracle Mix, where we are supposed to use it, and what are the contraindication of it. And overall the procedure is quite easy. It takes 15 minutes to 45 minutes, depend on what type of cavity cutting we have to do it. Again, there is one more advantage when we talk about the cavity cutting. Since it is getting chemically bonded with the tooth surface, cavity should not be very big, which we need in the amalgam. So these are all advantages of Miracle Mix. Hope you this video must have given you brief idea about it. Do like my channel, subscribe it. Bye bye, take care.